That was pretty freaking awesome. Standing in John Wayne's birthplace here. His birthplace. Right here in the middle of Winterset, Iowa. Alright, this is what I've been wanting to see in Winterset, and last time I was here we didn't go in, but I said I'm going in this time. The John Wayne Birthplace Museum. Yes, Winterset is the birthplace of John Wayne, and this is pretty cool. This list, they have a stone of all of his movies that he was in. And I guess all the people or business that sponsored a stone here or a tile here, they were expendable. Flying Leathernecks, Hondo, that's a great movie. This man had some movies, man. Wings of Eagles, North to Alaska, another great movie. How the West Was Won. This is all the movies he starred in. Donovan's Reef. Greatest Story Ever Told. Man, look at this. This man was in some movies. Stagecoach, Shepherd of the Hills. Angel and the Bad Man, another great movie. This guy was absolutely flipping amazing. And here we have the statue up front of Mr. John Wayne. This is pretty cool. Alright, let's go on in and check it out. 1984, President Reagan was making a trip to the Midwest campaign stop, and a reporter asked why he wanted to visit the John Wayne Birthplace home. Reagan said, "Oh my goodness, we were very good friends. I was a great admirer and respected and loved Duke very much. It was my great regret that we never happened to get together again in a picture." Here's a timeline of Mr. John Wayne, born in 1907 in Winterset. 1909, there's his house. There's President Reagan. That's President Reagan right there. And this is a drugstore where his father worked. I don't know who that is. It's Marion, I guess. And in 1910, his childhood home on Walnut Street. Was that here in?
That's in Earlham. See, it says Earlham at the top.
Earlham. Okay, downtown Earlham. Is that an Iowa town?
Yeah, look, here's the map.
Oh,
Winterset, Earlham.
Winterset, Earlham. Got it. And then Des Moines in 1912, apartment home.
That's a parking area.
Parking area.
I think that was where the cap. I think that's where the cap. It's a parking lot for the Capitol now.
Ah, okay. In Des Moines, and then let's see, Brooklyn, childhood home in Brooklyn.
Brooklyn, Iowa.
Brooklyn, Iowa, not Brooklyn, New York. And
Keokuk.
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 I think that's.
It's got Keokuk. That's Keokuk.
I don't know.
Keokuk, Iowa. In 1912, he moved to. So he's spent a lot of his childhood in Iowa. Yeah, there's Keokuk way, way down there in southeastern Iowa.
Look at those.
Marion Robert Morrison. That was his real name, if you didn't know. Marion Robert Morrison. And we have the John Wayne slot machine, but it's not legal to play here. It does not work in Iowa. This was when he passed away in UCLA Medical Center, all the letters he got here. He passed away in 1979, June of 1979.
Check out the old car.
So, what is this? Was this car?
Yeah, John Wayne's personal automobile.
This is personal automobile, the station wagon. What is this? What kind of car?
Safari.
Grand Safari? As in Pontiac Grand Safari. Oh, wow. The Pontiac Grand
1972.
72? Okay. Wow. It's like 3 bucket seats here. That's amazing. Is that a sunroof up here?
It was customized for him.
Oh, was it customized for him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he had the money.
He raised the windows to accommodate him because he's so tall.
Yep, he was a tall guy. And these are some of his outfits. He was a tall
Corpus
man.
Christi, Texas, donated.
That's who donated. That was his robe. JW right here. Yep, there's his 1972 Pontiac Grand Safari. Here's some more outfits. John Wayne when he's at his leisure. Here's some of his friends and family. John Wayne with Ronald Reagan, Dean Martin, and Frank Sinatra. Here he is with Gerald Ford. Here he is with Lucille Ball and Desi Arnaz. There he is with Little Boy. What do we have here? We have John Wayne, of course. Happy anniversary.
40th anniversary.
40th anniversary. Okay, there's Clint Eastwood. Jimmy Stewart. Is that Ernest Borgnine, maybe? Fred McMurray, I think. Lee Marvin.
It just says Wayne celebrating his 40th year as a film star with Hollywood Pals.
Yep. Rock Hudson. Yeah, all the big names here. Well, this is, what is this? What's number 6 is? Personal address book. Look who's in his personal address book. Ronald Reagan and Nancy. Wow, with their phone numbers.
And then this is his overnight bag, and you can see the custom JW initials right there in the strap.
JW. Oh yeah,
above the
see,
buckle.
Yeah, you can see the custom JW right there. Yep. Wow, pretty cool stuff here. There's some of his hats he wore. I'm sure this is a. Oh, that's a raccoon's head still there. This is the Alamo. Well, these all could be the Alamo. Here's an outfit Marine O'Hare one. There she is at the dedication of the John Wayne Museum. This is pretty cool.
That's
stuff.
the shovel they used to break down this museum.
Oh, this is the shovel they used to break down the break ground on the museum. This is the shovel they used?
Yeah, in 2013.
Oh, wow. What's number 2 here?
It's a award.
The
in
war
Ireland.
she won. Wow. And there they are together, autograph picture. Check out the Alamo.
Kind of pricey.
Yeah. That is a great movie, The Alamo. It's a classic. And of course we have the cannon. I'm not sure if is it the Alamo from the movie? I don't know if it is or not. From the Alamo? Oh, it's a replica. Oh, it was in the movie. This is the replica Napoleonic style artillery piece was one of 42 wooden cannons created for John Wayne's Alamo. It's made out of wood? It is made out of wood. Check it out. This is one of the cannons used in the Alamo, the movie The Alamo. Not the real Alamo, but the movie The Alamo. Made out of entirely wood. Look, the axle here is made out of wood. It's all made out of wood. That's incredible. Another great movie, The Quiet Man. And this is the carriage that they use in the movie. Or the cart. This is incredible. Alright, this is John Wayne's birthplace.
Minchie, at the entrance over here.
Oh, whoop, over here. Oh, look at there.
Yeah, see?
Okay,
Signs.
nice. Alright, here we go. Inside here.
You take
Go
your
ahead.
video.
Yeah, go in. Oh, wow.
Newport Beach area in California.
Okay.
I cannot believe we're standing in the birthplace of John Wayne.
20 years.
Really?
And they were afraid it would get vandalized.
Oh.
Wow.
Probably rightfully so.
Yeah. And
This is where the man was born.
They went pretty discreet. I mean, you know, we're talking not any big, huge ivory
stone, just,
yeah, and stuff. But
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hi.
Good.
How's it going?
Can you take these from us or?
Nope.
Okay.
These are souvenirs, yeah.
You got your stickers on.
Yeah,
Good.
yeah, be
That
good.
means it's,
That's our ticket.
you're good. You're not
Thank
good.
you, man. Appreciate it. This is too cool.
Mm-hmm.
Too cool. I grew up with that man, and this is woo. Oh wow! Check this out. Now I'm sure there was not a telephone like this when John Wayne was born, so I'm sure that's just there for looks, I guess.
Well, that's a copy of the birth certificate right there.
Oh, wait, this is a copy of the birth certificate.
Yeah.
Marion Robert Morrison. That's too awesome. Wow, 1907. Let's go over here. This is too
Oh, look,
cool.
here's the copy of the newspaper article.
Wow,
A 13-pound son arrived at the home of Mr. and Mrs. Clyde Mortis.
check it out. A 13-pound son. That boy was huge. Arrived at the home of Mr. and Mrs. Clyde Morrison Monday morning.
The Winterset
The
Madison.
Winterset Madisonian, 1907. 13 pounds? That boy was big.
That was news back then.
That was the news, man. It is news when a 13-pound boy gets born. Jeez, 13 pounds?
Right, exactly. They weren't sitting in the cabinet, yes.
And,
Wow.
gosh, you didn't, as kids, you didn't sit around inside.
That's true.
Man, you got out of
You
mom
ran.
took you to work.
Yes, yes. And that, it was go outside and play.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we'll call
Okay.
you when dinner's ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it was.
This
You're
is too
absolutely
cool.
right.
Check out the kitchen here.
You know,
And fun
things
stuff to
did-
do. Yeah.
So,
Wow. The trundle bed was used for children up to the age of 3. This bed is over 100 years old and has the original wire springs.
Mary to have a 13-pound baby.
Wow.
And she had another one after that. I remember.
They put the little babies in here when they were cooking. They were cooking meals so they could watch them. And this is the old ice box they used to use. Put a block of ice in there, keep the rest of it cold. Wow. Little table.
Thank you so much.
Little cupboard. Wow, an old sink. There's a deep sink here. This is cool. That was pretty freaking awesome. Standing in John Wayne's birthplace here. His birthplace. Right here in the middle of Winterset, Iowa. I mean, wow. 1907, so 126 years. 119 years. Thank you, Alex. You're better at math than me. 119 years he was born here. He'd be 119 years old today if he was still alive. Oh, what do we have here outside the museum? This is, what's this called?
The Freedom Rock.
The Freedom Rock.
The Winterset one.
Oh yeah, it's got
So
all.
there's an artist that makes one for every single county across Iowa.
What?
Yeah.
Really? He made this.
He makes all of them. They're like painted like this, very patriotic.
So they just bring in a big boulder like this, and he starts going to town painting all these boulders and rocks.
Yeah.
Wow.
I believe this year Adventureland got the 100th one. There's 99 counties in Iowa, and Adventureland and Altoona got the 100th this year for the 250th anniversary for America.
Awesome, man. That is too cool.
Yeah, they're all like salute to veterans. The
Yeah.
rocks that he makes, yeah.
I like this. It has all the pictures of John Wayne and the various roles he played, especially with the military roles. All the military movies he made as well. Not only the cowboy movies, westerns, but the military movies he made. And then we got a POWMIA.
Yeah, here it says right here exactly.
What do you got?
Painting a freedom rock in each of Iowa's 99 counties. This is the 64th one.
So there's a Freedom Rock in all 99 counties of Iowa. And
yeah, paintings are to thank veterans for their service.
Ray Bubba Sorensen of Greenfield, Iowa is painting a Freedom Rock in each of Iowa's 99 counties. Holy cow. And there's some others he's built here. The Quilts of Valor. There's another one here. Wow.
No, I think
This
different sizes.
Yeah, that's right. That's a different size. Okay, never mind. Let's take a look at the sizes here. Wow. Got the POWMIA. The George Stout, who were veterans of Winterset, who lived in Winterset. And the Valor here. Oh, this is beautiful.
But yeah, I told you he already finished because they got the 100th at the Adventureland theme park.
Oh yeah?
For the 250th anniversary this year.
Oh wow. This is too freaking awesome. At the museum, which included the 2 rooms we were in and his birthplace, was about $20 to get in. You know, some people say that's not worth it, but I don't know. I kind of enjoyed it. I think it was worth it. Kind of small, but I'll pay the $20 for that. It was really, really good.